Today I will show you how to get extra flavour into your Indian style curry and a recipe to match. The key here is to use meat on the bone. Cooking meat on the bone in curries and stews is a real trend right now. The dishes with bone cuts not only look great but also taste fantastic and tender. Bone cuts may take longer to cook, but the result is really worth it. As the bone cooks, the marrow releases juices that penetrate the meat and give it that extra flavour that a boneless cut won't achieve. That's also why traditional Indian curries are cooked on the bone, where the juices are slowly released and the flavours mature, resulting in curries that have an incredible depth of flavour. First, we're going to saute the onions till light and pink in colour, add garlic and ginger, spices, add the lamb pieces and saute, add KNORR Patak's mild curry paste, KNORR Pronto Napoli, and some water, and simmer until tender. So there you go. This is how you get a more succulent, flavourful and juicy piece of meat, as well as an amazing flavour and visual appeal of your Indian style curry.